This week, partners in crime fighting are taking on hiccups. Hiccups is a very serious condition that affects millions of people around the world every day. The history of hiccups. I think it all started at the dawn of man.
So hiccups are basically a sudden involuntary contraction of the diaphragm. And when the diaphragm contracts, it causes like an abrupt intake of air and the vocal cords shut, trying to stop that air, which causes the hiccup sound.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, I had to look it up.
I mean, you had some bad hiccups last night.
They're bad, they're always bad.
Like it affects her breathing.
I'm gonna cry.
Why?
Every time I release air, it's like I can't breathe at all. Like every time I try to suck in breath, it's like every single time. like I can't do anything. I know certain ways to try to get rid of hiccups, but they would not go away last night, so we looked up other ways to try to get rid of my hiccups.
We looked up several ways.
Handstands.
Handstands.
Trying to breathe and do a handstand at the same time. Nope, not working.
The lemon.
Oh, yeah. If you, apparently if you try to suck on a lemon, that should work. Getting scared.
I tried to scare you.
That didn't work because I saw it coming.
Yeah. I'm stuck. You still have your hiccups? Mary Poppins' advice, a spoonful of sugar.
Helps the hiccups go away, the hiccups go away. Just a spoon, okay, yeah. But it didn't! It's like, fan! Ah! Chugging a glass of water?
Yeah.
Pull your tongue out.
No, that just hurts my tongue.
Spin in circles. I tried it, I didn't.
Yeah, that was just a disaster.
I don't know how that's supposed to help. Okay.
Just made you dizzy, really.
Whoa. Nope.
Lie flat on your back.
How long are you supposed to lie on your back for?
I don't know. Yeah.
Shot of pickle juice.
Ew, no.
Okay, not worth it. It's not worth it.
No.
A spoonful of peanut butter, but she just ended up eating the peanut butter. Yeah, that's a big spoonful of peanut butter. There you go. Oh. Can you even talk now? Say something.
Can you have hiccups through your nose?
Teaspoon of mustard.
It's just, oh my god. It looks.
Alright, ready? Mouth. In the mouth. Be brave.
No. No. No.
That's another big no. I hate mustard. Mustard is gross. On one of the lists that I looked at, it said waiting. But I just want to get rid of them now. I'm American. I don't like to wait for things. Last but not least, chest compression. So he had to like compress my chest and my diaphragm while I tried to breathe in. And that actually worked. And the thing is, different things work different times.
Everyone's bodies are different. So if it doesn't work for her, it might work for you. So you should try all of those things out. This week, Partners in Crime Fighting defeated
the hiccups.
Yes. Yeah.
Nice. If you have a way that's unique that you get rid of hiccups, please tell me what it is. I need to know.
Like us if you've ever had the hiccups. That should be everybody.
Yeah.
You're cool, even with your hiccups.
No. You're cool because you helped me get rid of them.
Mwah. You're cool.